This book has been called a money magnet, a millionaire mindset manual, and the secret that built empires. It's sold over 100 million copies since 1937. I read Think and Grow Rich, so you don't have to. Welcome to So You Don't Have to, where we read books, test theories, binge movies, try crazy routines, waste our money on weird gadgets, and push our lives to the edge so you don't have to. Got a book, routine, or trend you're curious about, but don't want to waste your time on? Drop it in the comments and hit subscribe so you'll know when we break it down for you. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill isn't really about how to get rich, not in the way you'd expect. It's more like a masterclass in how ultra-successful people think and how to train your brain to act like them. It's built around interviews with people like Henry Ford, Thomas Edison, Andrew Carnegie, some of the richest and most powerful people of their time. And Hill boiled it all down into 13 success principles. But here are the 5 that matter most. First, desire is everything. Hill says, rich people don't get wealthy by accident. They get clear on exactly what they want, and then become obsessed with it. Not just, I want to be rich, but I want to earn $100,000 in the next 12 months by doing X. The more specific, the more powerful. Second, faith isn't religious, it's psychological. What you believe about yourself becomes your reality. If you expect to win, your brain starts finding ways to make it happen. If you expect to fail, same thing. Hill says to repeat affirmations, visualize your goals, and retrain your thoughts until success feels inevitable. Third, autosuggestion rewires your mind. This one's wild. It's about programming your subconscious through repetition. Think of it like mental weight training. You feed your mind a new belief over and over until it becomes automatic. Thoughts, emotions, action, results. Fourth, decision and persistence beat talent every time. Most people fail not because they're incapable, but because they hesitate, overthink, or quit. Hill studied hundreds of millionaires. The pattern? Quick decision makers. Relentlessly persistent, even when things got hard or boring or uncertain. Fifth, the power of a mastermind. Surround yourself with people who think bigger, move faster, and expect more. Wealth isn't created in isolation. The people you spend time with either raise your standards or lower them. Here's what I didn't expect from the book. It's not about tactics or investments. It's about thinking, belief, discipline, energy. It's old school and a little outdated in spots. But the psychology? Still sharp and surprisingly practical. Also, it's intense. This book doesn't coddle you. It calls you out. So, should you read Think and Grow Rich? If you're into mindset, self-mastery, or rewiring how you think about success. Yes, if you want step-by-step financial strategy, this isn't it. But if you're chasing something big, a goal, a breakthrough, or even just a better version of you, this book might be the mental reset you didn't know you needed. And now you know what's inside. So you don't have to read it unless you want to. If this saved you time or gave you something to think about, hit that subscribe button. And if there's something else you've been curious about but don't want to waste your time on, let us know in the comments. We'll dive into it. So you don't have to.